जन्वहानादेव नमागस्मानुपजुष्टुतैतो
memorized. That's why we have got a lot of texts quite preserved, even when the physical manuscripts were burnt or destroyed, or even Indian weather is not conducive for maintaining those manuscripts for a long time because of the humidity and of course rain and other things. So, and then infections by various things. So with peace with everything. What is opposite of peace? Conflict. And that conflict creates lot of anger. And that anger creates lot of imbalance. Which is not good for the body also. Supposed to be the first nakshatra also. So again it's of course what nakshatras are there because the sun passes through. So relation with sun, Ashwini Kumar, sky and moon all gets represented through this. Then as I said, the biggest healer, Surya. Now this is a very common plant, you can see it everywhere. And this is closely associated with Surya. Now you ask the persons who are doing Ayurveda that how many ways this plant is related to medicinal treatment. Japakusum. And that's why when they are praising the sun god, they are saying Japakusuma Sankasham Kashyapayam Mahatyudem Tamorim Sarva Papagnam Prantusam. So we get a large number of names of different. He has the healing power, but interestingly, the healing power is by medicine that he gives. So Buddha is the Bhishakya Guru, that gods wanted nectar. Amruta. Very good medicine. Many cures are there with the leaves of this plant, and I don't know even where the flowers are also used. But what I've heard is, as I said, the alternative practices are now more in discussion. Different place. There is one aromatherapy, and the flowers of Parijat are supposed to be very important. So, a plant which gives us Datura, very closely associated with Shiva. Now this plant is supposed to be having some kind of a negative impact. And it is thorny also. The cattle will not graze it. The flowers will not give you any bread. And sometimes add poison. So he was feeling lot of heat in his body. Cool it. The people they do. And it's very interesting that if somebody is having some ailment and not too disturbing, but it is an ailment for a long time, they put a water pot on the stomach of the patient and keep moving the water up and down for a long time. What kind of therapies? I don't know, but it has full of different medicinal herbs and plants. So this story also needs to be really understood very thoroughly. This flower once again doesn't have much smell. Very often people think that the whitish kind of juice that comes out is harmful to eyes or something like that. Animals do not graze it. Why will it be protected? But once it is associated with, in our side, Western India, it is associated with Hanumanji. In Northern India, especially in Kashi, it is associated with Shivji. But the point is that plant which are for properties, which are for healing, especially of wounds, that is good. with need. Shitala Sumi worship at home with need. Shami, Banyan, Autumnal, very closely associated with Datta Parampara, Guru Parampara. Again a plant which has got many properties and other मिश्रण जो इन सब प्रकार के इनके एनालिसिस की जड़ So I think what exactly are the medicinal properties? How the medicine